Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well during this quarantine period. So today I'll be showing you how you can get a custom cursor on Windows 10. I think this also works for Windows 8. Not sure about Windows 7 though. So anyways, let's just get into the video. So first you have to go into settings from our menu, right? And because it's gonna open settings, and we're gonna go into ease of access right here. And right at ease of access, you get to change this text of the size, and you can apply it. You get to do everything related to accessibility over here. And you'll see this option called cursor and pointer. Just tap on it, right? And right over here, we will have this page. So we can change the size of our pointer into a maximum size, or we can just make it into the smallest size we like. And over here we can change and customize our cursor. So over here, this is the default cursor that I don't really like that much. This is the Apple cursor from Apple devices that I really like, and this is a color changing cursor. So it's gonna change color, and it's kind of like translucent. So whenever you make the size to 100% over here, 15 is the max, sorry, and you hover on top of the get help and give feedback, you can see the color change. So that's how this one works, and you can play with this. It's a little bit fun. And here's the custom colored one. So you get to custom color your mouse, and you can also choose another custom color which is not included over here. For example, turquoise. Just a second. Just a bit of turquoise. Okay, teal. Teal is not included, so done. And now teal is selected. So that's how you can change it, and yeah, it's pretty easy. I'll just stick to the one I already had, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye guys.